Artificial intelligence isn't just changing industries. It's transforming the way students learn, study, and prepare for the future. In today's video, I'll show you the best AI tools every student must know in 2025 to stay ahead, learn faster, and become more productive. So let's dive in. Number 1, Notion AI. First up, we have Notion AI, your smart study buddy that lives inside the app. Notion is a popular choice among students because it helps you organize notes, plan your schedule, and manage tasks all in one spot. Now, with the addition of AI features, Notion has become even smarter. Imagine having a study buddy who can help you summarize lengthy lecture notes, draft essays, and generate ideas for projects. That's what Notion AI brings to the table. You can ask it to create flashcards from your notes or generate a summary of a research paper you're reading. It's like having a personal assistant for your studies. Plus, Notion is known for its user-friendly interface and vast storage space, so you can store all your study materials in one place and access them from anywhere. Number 2, ChatGPT. Next up, we have ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that's taking the world by storm. This tool is excellent for those last-minute questions that pop up while studying. Need a quick explanation of a complex concept? Ask ChatGPT. Want to generate a study plan for an upcoming exam? ChatGPT can do that too. It's like having a 24/7 tutor in your pocket. What sets ChatGPT apart is its conversational approach. You can chat with it naturally and ask follow-up questions until you get the answer you need. It's a fantastic resource for brainstorming ideas, understanding tough concepts, and getting feedback on your writing. Number 3, Perplexity AI. Now, let's talk about Perplexity AI, a search engine that uses artificial intelligence to give you accurate answers to your questions. Unlike traditional search engines where you have to sift through numerous websites, Perplexity AI provides you with relevant and reliable information straight away. For instance, when you ask it a question about the French Revolution, it not only gives you an accurate answer, but also provides sources for that information. It's like having a smart research assistant. This tool is incredibly useful for students who need to gather information quickly for essays or projects. It saves you hours of research time and ensures that you get high-quality information from reputable sources. Number 4, Canva AI. Canva is a great tool for creating presentations, projects, and other visual materials for school. But with the introduction of Canva AI, it has become even more powerful. This AI design tool allows you to generate images, logos, and other graphics using just a text description. Let's say you're working on a project about climate change and you need an image of a solar panel. Instead of searching for an image online, you can use Canva AI to create one. Just type in solar panel and select the image that you like the most. Canva AI will then generate the image for you. You can also use Canva AI to create logos for your school club or organization. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you don't have any design skills. Overall, Canva AI is a fantastic tool for any student looking to create professional-looking projects and presentations. Number 5, Grammarly Go. When it comes to writing, Grammarly Go is a game changer. This AI writing assistant catches grammatical mistakes, improves punctuation, and helps you choose the right words. Imagine writing an essay in minutes without worrying about silly spelling mistakes. That's what Grammarly Go makes possible. It's like having a personal editor by your side, ensuring that your writing is top-notch. Not only does it save you time, but it also boosts your confidence in your writing abilities. Whether you're writing an email, a research paper, or anything in between, Grammarly Go is a valuable tool for clear and effective communication. Number 6, Otter AI. Taking notes during lectures can be a daunting task, but thanks to Otter AI, it doesn't have to be. This AI-powered note-taker records and transcribes your lectures automatically. All you need to do is hit record and let Otter do the rest. It accurately captures everything your teacher says, allowing you to focus on listening and learning rather than writing. Plus, you can review the notes later at your own pace and search for specific topics easily. It's like having a personal note-taker that never gets tired or misses anything. Number 7. Quizlet with AI. As the name suggests, Quizlet is a tool designed to help you study and learn. It uses AI to create flashcards and practice quizzes tailored to your needs. Whether you're studying for a math test or a history exam, Quizlet can help you prepare. It generates questions and answers based on your study material, allowing you to practice and test your knowledge. This AI-powered study tool is excellent for memorizing facts, understanding concepts, and getting a feel for the types of questions that might be asked on an exam. So, these were some of the top AI tools every student should master in 2025. With the right tools by your side, studying becomes smarter, faster, and more effective. Which AI tool do you already use, and which one do you want to try after watching this video? Drop your answers in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI, tech, and productivity. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay curious.